Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, Day 199 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is an invitation to remember that your breath is enough. Let's begin by taking a gentle breath in and a slow breath out. Feel the rise and feel the fall. There is nothing to fix and nothing to chase. Just this breath and your next breath. Now, say to yourself, I return to my breath, and my breath is enough. When you're ready, slowly open your awareness. Notice your body. Feel the ground beneath you. And carry this peace with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.